Okay, it's time for an unboxing slash unwrapping video. So today we're going to be unboxing the DC Universe movie Batman The Long Halloween Part 1. Let's go. I've not seen this yet. And we're going to give away the digital code if it has one. Okay. We got... Ooh. There's the digital code. It's only good till June 30th, so I don't know if it's still good. I mean, I hear sometimes they're good after their date, but I don't know, because I don't know much about digital codes. I just give them away. But you could try. So there's a digital code on that. Here's the front. We got the spine. We got the back. Special features. 85 minutes. And we got the disc here. Cool. So there you have it, guys. That's my unboxing of Batman The Long Halloween Part 1 Blu-ray. I'm out of here. Have a good one.